Welcome back to Keen's Views. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Today I'm going to test these 3 flavours of Prime. Blue raspberry, lemon lime and ice pop. Let's start with the first Prime I think ever made, blue raspberry. Yay! Not bad. 5 out of 10. Out of the way, no. Can I try have his like a little sip? Right. Have a little sip. Okay. I like to taste the Prime. Oh shit. Oh yeah. I tried blue raspberry. I tried blue raspberry. Now just have to do up the lid, and now next is lemon and lime. Why is it green? Tastes really weird. 1 out of 10. It tastes really weird. Normally I don't want to say really weird, but this is really weird. I don't think I'll give it to either because sourness. It's hard to put on the lip. I think he can do some speaking meanwhile doing this. Next and finally, ice pop. Bitter, free. I was really excited about ice pop, but it tastes bitter. The best flavor here is blue raspberry.
Drink, I like it. Another!
Isla literally, I understand Isla. She said subscribe earlier. So if you can help, like and subscribe. Bye!